Do you ever feel like some pop-up messages disappear too fast before you even have a chance to tap them? Well, your Galaxy S25 Ultra actually lets you change how long those temporary on-screen notifications, like volume control or action button, stay visible, so you have more time to respond. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Settings icon. Scroll down the screen to find Accessibility. Tap Accessibility, then tap Advanced Settings. Under Notification section, tap Time to take action. Here you will see several options: default, 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, and 2 minutes. As an example, let's select 30 seconds. This gives you more time to read and respond to messages that require action before they disappear. So when you find yourself missing quick pop-ups or struggling to tap buttons in time, especially if you need a bit more time to react, you can extend their visibility. That way, those important controls or notifications will not vanish before you are ready. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.